Everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens double break number 1078, 1415 SB game used. Last and ending break was the Edmonton Oilers on August 23rd at 7:31 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And to our current day and time. So refresh. It's currently Monday, August 24th at 12:38 a.m. Eastern Time. We are broadcasting live on Breakers TV here as per normal. For anybody that hasn't registered on our break page, really appreciate you did. Just register account there and scroll down and see everything else in the queue there. That's what's posted. And 1078. And our serial numbers tonight are NE221244259 and 8754 is our serial number. And that's back here. Serial numbers is 5897 5248. So let's go over there. Sales. Get started. So good luck, everybody. So it's 5897. Box number 1. Got the Penguin, Scott. Let's see what we can get for you tonight. Good luck, guys. So we are rotating 14-15 game use and 13-14 quad ultimate back and forth. So I think tomorrow is the quad again, then we'll be back to, or wait, I think we got quad for a couple times, then back to game use again. Yeah, for the next 3 days it's the quad ultimate. Okay, so here we go. So we got a jersey of Logan Couture. In his all-star uniform, going out to the San Jose Sharks, as that is his current team still. Logan Couture at the San Jose, and right behind it, we have a SB Games jersey of Antiniemi, going out to the Sharks again. Antiniemi, and right behind it, we have ourselves a SB Game used jersey of Andrei Burakovsky, 423. $4.99 for the Capitals, 8 grand. And right behind it is a autograph SB Game Used rookie of Darnell Nurse, going out to the Oilers. Darnell. And right behind it, we have ourselves a Winter Classic Material neck cord of Thomas Tatar, or Tatar. Go to Detroit, number 28. Of 35. It's Tatar. And 02 or 5248. 5248. This one still had one of the store logo prices of $120. Or actually, I think I actually showed you guys the wrong serial numbers when we were doing these. I think I was supposed to show you guys the holograms. 8754 was the first one. Sorry. Let me just double check the list in there. Yeah, it's actually 8754, so we just busted that one. And this was actually the only other game use we busted. Sorry. I showed you guys the UPC code. So that one is the 4259. My bad on that one, guys. And then just quickly correspond it. 5897, so that is the same one.
Show them the 5.
Yeah, then this one's obviously the 5248. Whoops. My apologies on the wrong serial number. That's the game we kept doing those sidebar ones in the past just because they were easier to zoom up on. Both these boxes aren't too bad here. So we have a SB Game Use rookie auto of Curtis Lazar going out to the Ottawa Senators. And